Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone on Discord. For example, maybe it's not connecting or something, or you connect to a voice channel and your voice is just not detected. So let me show you how to fix it. First things first, you want to go to user settings, then you want to scroll down till you see voice and video. Now when we are here, you can check you can press this and you can check if your microphone is working. For you it's probably not, but if I press this, it will go up and down as I speak. Now I will not press it because you'll hear two of me. Anyhow, you can also check your input device. To me it's default and it's working. If default is not working for you, set it to your microphone. I will explain later why default is working for me. You can also increase your input volume. If it's not, set it to maximum, maybe that's the problem. You can also check if you have accidentally somehow enabled push to talk. Basically, when you press a button, your voice activity is detected only when you push that button, and you should probably set it to voice activity. Anyways, that's pretty much it for Discord. And now let me show you what you can do outside of Discord if all of those things did not fix your problem. Now, you might want to go to settings right here. Now, how do we get here? Well, you just go right down here, right click and open sound settings. Now, what you can do here is you can also check if your input device is right. You can check its properties and you can increase its volume. Check if it's disabled or enabled. Make sure this is not checked and make sure your volume is up to 100. Now, if this did not fix your problem, you want to right click again on speakers and you want to go to sounds. Now when we are here, you want to go to recording. As you can see, my microphone is right here and it's detected. Now it's set to default, and that's why my microphone in Discord is also set to default. So that's why my microphone is detected. It would also detect it if I set it to the name of my microphone. But anyways, you can check here if everything is alright, if the right microphone is being used. If it's not, then you just set another microphone to default and check that one. Also, if you do not see all of these microphones, you just need to check this, disable devices and disconnect the devices. You can also go to its properties and you can check here if everything is alright. You can listen to it, you can play with these options. I wouldn't really recommend anything but trying to listen to it and increase its quality right here. And you can also change this. Now I'm not sure why, but I can't really access it. But to me it's put to maximum quality. Anyhow guys, I hope all of those problems did fix it. If they did not, check your cable for your microphone, check your USB port, that might be the problem. Try to connect your headset or your microphone to another PC and see if it works there. And if it doesn't, well, maybe something's wrong with the microphone, so just buy a new one, or if you know how to, you can just try to fix it. But anyways guys, I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.